Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this the anthem for the new crown, ain't it? Smirks. The one the algorithm just can't contain it. They want the old way, but the script's been flipped. So let's just get this trending from the tongue, from the lip. Became the city soundtrack, I don't even get it. Sharks. I'm my own biggest fan, gotta admit it. Life of a legend, phone screen glowing. Stepping in the function with the new drip showing. With something priceless on my wrist, you know it. And here's another viral, watch me go and post it. We on another level, yeah. 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 Dude.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miko. In today's video I am unboxing the Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandouliere 25 in Monogram Rose Ruben gorgeous raspberry Barbie pink color. Louis Vuitton is celebrating their 130th anniversary of its legendary Monogram canvas. I absolutely love my new bag. It is from Bandouliere Bags, of course. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for sending this gorgeous bag to me, and I can't wait to review it, wear it, unbox it, love it, and I'm so excited to feature this on today's video. So I will also do a what's in my bag and show you what exactly fits inside. Just take a look at this beauty. I love the pink, the material is different, and this is my very first Speedy 25. So I love the dual zippering. This is the bandouliere version. This is also my first bandouliere. So I love the way it comes packaged. Just very neat. It's in pristine condition. I am so happy with it. So I can't wait to share her with you and show you all her little features and what she can hold inside. First, the pink monogram canvas is everything. Such a stunning Speedy for pink lovers. It's bold, fresh, and modern with just the right squishy give. I love the treated leather, giving it a darker hue and a semi-lived-in patina than the standard untreated leather. So I'm just removing all this little foam protective paper. The handles are just stunning and beautiful. Look at the chaps. Everything is gorgeous. Need to just cut off this other side. And then I'm going to give you a look at the handles, and we'll take a look at the beautiful perfection of the stitching. Look how flawless the stitching is. Perfection. Look at this side. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let's put on the luggage tag and the beautiful lock. Inside this gorgeous bag, this is what we have. All the goodies packaged very nicely. First thing we have is the removable and adjustable strap. Then we have the celebratory luggage tag, and it's so special with the scripted Louis Vuitton in gold. This is also my very first luggage tag on one of my Speedies. I absolutely love it and adore it. Then over here we also have the gold toned hardware with the double zip and the LV lock and keys. So shiny and beautiful. I absolutely adore this bag. Now inside we also have the striped canvas with the flat pocket with the celebratory leather label inside. Now go ahead and look at this canvas. It's much different than the others that I have. I have a classic monogram, and then I also have a Speedy soft, but this one is just texturized so beautifully and so different. It's gorgeous. This is the beautiful strap. I did add on the extender part. The stitching is perfect. Not a stitch out of place. Look at that. Flawless. This is the gold hardware. Shiny, beautiful. Here's what the gorgeous bag looks like with everything on it. I have the bandolier strap on. Got the gorgeous scripted gold luggage tag. And the beautiful lock. Now for the fun part, let's move in and see what fits. I packed up the bag and the opening is quite tight, but still doable, you know? So, let's move it like this, maybe you can kind of see. So I have this little Juicy Couture Royal Crown pen in the pocket. And then I also have my portable charger, pink, with a cord. And then I'll also have the keys to the lock of the bag. That's the pocket. And then I have my pepper spray and key, and a little pink glittery lanyard. And then I have, and this is how it looks. Very organized the way it's lined up and everything. My wallet. Change pouch. Sunglasses. My pouch. And inside this pouch just has all my essentials. Some powder, some mints, some sunscreen, makeup, lip glosses, everything I need for touch-ups throughout the day. Sanitizer, lippies, all that good stuff inside of here. And then we have my little Louis notebook. It says Miko on it. And back. And that's everything inside of the bag. Here is the tag. It's beautiful, celebrating 130 years of Monogram. So I'm absolutely in love with it. So these are my two beautiful, amazing bags from Bandouliere Bags, and I'm enjoying them. They are the best quality. If you're looking for a great quality bag, Bandouliere Bags is where you need to go. Look how stunning they are. And this one's a Speedy Soft. I just love the slouch. I carry so much with me. It's my best traveling bag. I really do enjoy a size 30, but I always wanted a size 25. She is so petite and just adorable. My new jam, but still my two favorite beauties right here. So they're just amazing. Look how cute, and the size difference. Let's do a little comparison. So there's the 25 and that's the 30. Just stunning. And I love that both my Speedies have straps, because we all know, Speedy lovers, how tough that gets. You know, being able to throw so much into these bags that they do get quite heavy. So if you're doing long mall trips and all that good stuff, shopping with your bag, a strap most definitely does come in handy. But most perfect, great quality bags for an affordable price at bandouliere.co. I do highly recommend, and it does have the Miko stamp of approval. Thank you so much, Bandouliere Bags. I will leave all the links to the website, to this specific bag, in the description down below, also with my discount code. Much love and hugs. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay barbified. Bye, beauties. Mwah.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Fine light in the beautiful sea. I chose